Tensions in the Middle East just got hotter because Yemen's Houthi rebels have done something bold, shocking, and dangerous. They have launched a major drone attack on Israel, and this time they say that they hit their targets. According to Houthi military spokesperson, the group fired 3 drone attack rounds straight towards Israel's Negev desert, a region known for housing key Israeli military facilities. And wait, here's the twist. He claims 2 of those drones actually hit Israeli Defense Forces installation. So, let's break it down. Well, the Houthis are not just any local militants. They are a powerful Iranian-backed rebel group that controls a big part of Yemen. Well, they have already been firing missiles and drones at Saudi Arabia and the UAE, but now they have opened a new front with direct strikes on Israel. This is no longer just about Gaza or Lebanon. It's turning into a regional war with multiple pressure points. The Negev desert might sound like an far-off location, but it's strategically crucial to Israel. It's where several air bases and military defense systems are located, things that Israel relies on heavily during wartime. So, if these Houthi drones really got through, it's not just a symbolic message, it is a serious threat. But the question is, why are the Houthis doing this? Well, the answer lies in their own words. The group says that these attacks will continue until Israel's war in Gaza ends. They are calling it a response to what they describe as Israeli aggression against Palestinians. And this isn't their first move. The Houthis have already tried targeting southern Israel and shipping lanes in the Red Sea to hurt Israel's economy and their military reach. But aren't you curious to know how is Israel reacting? Well, the Israeli military hasn't fully confirmed the damage, but says that its air defense systems intercepted several aerial threats. Still, the Houthis insist that their operation was successful. This has raised alarm bells in Israeli defense circles and among the Western allies too, because now threats are coming from south, that is Yemen, and north from Hezbollah in Lebanon, from east, Iran, and inside Gaza. This is a 4-front pressure campaign, and Israel is right in the middle of all of this. You know what makes this even more dangerous is how Iran connects all the dots. Tehran funds and arms the Houthis, Hezbollah, and other kind of groups. It's using them as part of a wider strategy to exhaust and overwhelm Israel without starting a full-scale war on its own. And the Houthis are proudly playing that role. Now the big question is, what's next? Well, experts warn that this won't be the last drone attack. The Houthis are testing Israel's defenses and watching how far they can push without getting hit back directly. In the meantime, Israel has to decide. Does it actually respond militarily to Yemen, or it should focus its firepower on Gaza and Hezbollah? Well, the Middle East is becoming a chessboard, and every single drone, missile, or military move could trigger the next big escalation. And while world leaders call for calm, the reality on the ground is this: a new front has opened, and the Houthis just made it loud and clear.